These are the RC Components Gladiator forged aluminum wheels. These wheels are made in the United States out of Louisville, Kentucky, and are completely customizable down to the size, the color, the matching rotors, the pulley, air cleaners, and much more. The wheels include everything you need for a direct bolt-on installation, and they are made for dozens of different motorcycle models ranging from Harley models and metric cruisers. The wheels can be made in sizes ranging from 16 inches up to 30 inches depending on what you request, and they can be done in polished aluminum, gloss black, chrome, or a contrast cut finish. In this video, you can see the matching wheel, rotors, and pulley, all made in black. Make sure to order your wheels from motorcycletire.com. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.